Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by sinx. So we have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that this one next to y. So that is for integrating factor. And we have ln of sinx. And this one we have sinx. That means we multiply both sides by sinx. This one we have cosx. This one we have tanx. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one that is about y equals to ab. So the integration of that one we have y sinx. Tanx we can change by sinx over cosx. The integration of this one we have like this. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.